We are talking blue sky uranium today. That's BSK, Toronto Venture Exchange, at BKUCF on the OTC markets in the States here. And I've got the president and CEO, Nikolaos Cacos. And Nico, we're talking to Amarillo Grande Project here in Argentina. You got a couple targets here, did some field work underway. You want to talk about it here. So let's run through what's important here for investors.
Okay, well, investors, first of all, step back and look at the whole project. The project Amarillo Grande is situated in Argentina. It's not just a single deposit or a single occurrence. It's an entire district that spans more than 145 kilometers in length of uranium and vanadium mineralization. And what's really unique and exciting about this district is that the geological similarities are very much alike some of the largest uranium deposits in the world, and are currently operating with some of the lowest costs. So while we already have a deposit in the southern end of this district, it's called the Ivana deposit. Now what we're looking for is to expand that deposit and to see, are there additional areas where we can find additional uranium? And while there are many, many occurrences, we announced just the other day that 2 targets that are with less than 30 kilometers away from our Ivana deposit have just been granted permission to explore and to drill. So we're quite excited about that, because these targets have exceptional similarities, geological similarities to our Ivana deposit, and we feel they represent excellent opportunities to discover additional uranium, and in fact, have a cluster of uranium deposits within an area that can potentially be operated with a single operation.
So what's the game plan to attack those then? Get the drills out?
Well, yeah, there's a little bit of work, geological and preparing the drill targets. Just before that, about a month's worth of work, and then I expect we'll have drills in there and spinning through the third and fourth quarter of this year, and hopefully we'll have results by early January, February, and that's the name of the game. And I think if the results do come in positive, this could be a real defining moment for blue sky.
Yeah, before I let you go here, Nico, comments on the uranium market.
Uranium market looks really strong. It continues to hover around the $50 range, the spot price. And despite all the mayhem happening in the current markets right now, uranium is one of those commodities that not only hanging on, but looks to increase, because the underlying push or the demand for uranium to fuel basically nuclear power plants it continues to rise. We're seeing more and more nuclear power plants being built around the world, and for a couple of reasons. One, the safety of nuclear power plants has been more widely accepted, and second, and most important, when we're looking to generate electricity in ways that are carbon-free, stable, safe, and reliable, there is no alternative other than uranium. So these are really strong forces that are underpinning the demand for uranium. So in my opinion, I think we're going to see uranium stay sustained for the foreseeable future.
Okay, we'll look forward to checking back in as you have more treasure hunting reports looking for that uranium. So Nikolaos Cacos, President and CEO, Blue Sky Uranium, BSK Venture, BKUCF, OTCQB in the States. Thanks for the update, Nico. We'll check back in when you have some more.
Thank you, Rob.